Imagine being in a forest at dusk, the last rays of sunlight barely peeking through the dense foliage. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the sound of crickets provides a soothing background hum. But as night begins to fall, the forest transforms into a twinkling wonderland. Fireflies start to flicker, lighting up the darkness like tiny lanterns. This is not just a scene from a fantasy movie, but a real-world phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. It's called bioluminescence, the ability of living organisms to produce their own light. But what drives this enchanting process? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind bioluminescence, a world where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur. As we delve deeper into this mystical realm, we'll encounter creatures that defy explanation, from glowing mushrooms to radiant deep-sea fish. But first, let's ask ourselves a question: what if the key to understanding bioluminescence lies not in the creatures themselves, but in the way they interact with their environment? The answer, much like the light produced by these organisms, is hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered. The journey to discover the truth about bioluminescence begins in the depths of our oceans, where the darkness is only illuminated by the faint glow of certain marine life. Here, in the blackness of the abyss, bioluminescence serves as a means of communication, a way for creatures to find each other in the endless void. It's a beacon of hope, a shining light that guides through the darkness. But bioluminescence is not just limited to the ocean, it's a phenomenon that can be observed in various forms across the globe. From the glowing forests of certain fungi to the radiant flowers that light up the night, bioluminescence is a universal language, spoken by organisms from all kingdoms of life. As we explore this world, we begin to realize that bioluminescence is not just a simple chemical reaction, but a complex process that involves a delicate balance of molecular interactions. It's a dance of atoms, a symphony of light and sound that plays out in the microscopic realm. But what triggers this dance? What is the spark that ignites the glow? The answer lies in a molecule called luciferin, and its reaction with oxygen. This reaction, known as oxidation, releases energy in the form of light, a process that is both beautiful and efficient. However, the true magic of bioluminescence lies not in the chemical reaction itself, but in the way it's harnessed by living organisms. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, a reminder that even in the darkest depths, there is always a spark of light waiting to be discovered. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves in the midst of a glowing forest, surrounded by trees that shimmer and shine like stars in the night sky. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the sound of crickets provides a soothing background melody. It's a scene that seems almost surreal, a world that exists in a state of perpetual twilight. But as we look closer, we realize that this world is not just a product of our imagination, it's a real place, hidden in plain sight, waiting to be explored. The glowing forest is home to a variety of bioluminescent organisms, from glowing mushrooms to radiant plants. Each one has evolved its own unique way of producing light, a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As we explore this enchanted realm, we begin to uncover the secrets behind bioluminescence. We learn about the complex molecular interactions that trigger the glow, and the ways in which organisms harness this process to communicate, defend themselves, and even attract prey. It's a world of light and shadow, where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur. But as we delve deeper into this mystical realm, we're reminded that bioluminescence is not just a fascinating phenomenon, it's also a powerful tool. It has the potential to inspire new technologies. From more efficient lighting systems to innovative medical treatments. It's a reminder that even in the darkest depths of our oceans and forests, there is always a spark of light waiting to be discovered, a spark that can illuminate our path and guide us towards a brighter future. As we conclude our journey into the world of bioluminescence, we are left with more questions than answers. What other secrets lie hidden in the depths of our oceans and forests? What other mysteries wait to be uncovered? The journey to discover the truth about bioluminescence is a lifelong path, one that winds through the twists and turns of the natural world. It's a journey that requires patience, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. But as we stand at the edge of this enchanted realm, we're reminded that the greatest magic of all lies not in the bioluminescence itself, but in the way it inspires us to explore, to discover, and to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The world of bioluminescence is a world of endless possibility, a world that invites us to dream big, to imagine a future where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur. It's a world that reminds us that even in the darkest depths, there is always a spark of light waiting to be discovered, a spark that can illuminate our path and guide us towards a brighter future.